Hi guys, I'm still obviously on a Christmas season high. For this weekend, I wanted to show you how I made gift tags using polymer clay. For this tutorial, I wanted to make a frozen Christmas theme, so for my colors, I used white and use of blue-green. Take note that all the colors I used were mixed with translucent clay to soften the colors. I also used a silicone mold, a clay roller, cutters, detail needles, mica powder, and a brush. Since this is a Christmas craft, I did not shy away from using mica powder from an old makeup kit. I used white mica and I coated all the molds that I wanted to use, which in this case were the snowflakes and the Christmas tree. As you can tell, I was quite generous with the use of mica powder. If you don't want the shimmer effect on your tags, you can just use plain cornstarch to dust your molds with. Next, I get the darkest of my blue-green clay. I rolled it to the shape of the Christmas tree and pushed the clay in, making sure that I really pushed into all the edges so that there are no holes or pockets. As you can tell, there is excess clay on the top of the mold. Before, I had the hardest time flattening this part out, but recently, I discovered that I could scrape off the excess clay using a clay blade. When you already see the entire outline of the mold, that means you've already scraped enough clay. I wanted to use white as my background, so I flattened out my white clay into the number 4 setting. Then I brought out my mold again. I dabbed some liquid polymer clay at the back of the Christmas tree. And then I gently placed the flattened white clay on top of the mold and popped the Christmas tree very carefully. I wanted more detail on the tree, so I came back with a detail needle. I added a little more mica and I brushed it on the leaves. I punched out the background shape . I punched a hole on the background so that I could hang this as a tag later. I also made another design using the same technique, which is first dusting the mold with mica. I used the lighter blue-green mixed in with a lot of translucent. Then again, I packed my clay and scraped the top using a blade until I saw the outline of the snowflake. I used the same white background and again spread some liquid clay to adhere my snowflake to the background. Then, I deepened some of the details with the use of a detail needle. I punched out the background shape, not forgetting to clean out the edges and adding more mica. Then I placed a hole on top. After I baked these tags following the instruction on the packaging, I placed jump rings on each of the tags, and I also threaded a ribbon through these. At this point, these could be hung on a Christmas tree as ornaments. But if you want to use them as gift tags, just get a paper tag and punch a small hole through it. You can attach your clay decor here, and it will make your gifts extra special because of those personal touches. I hope that you liked my simple Christmas tag/ornament tutorial. For more crafts and clay ideas, please like and subscribe to the Craft Time Studio. Thanks and have a crafty weekend. Bye!